Good day to the criminal community all over the world. You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Luwayinde, also known as Sapphire Jewel, one of the economic developer, one of the many voices of TBC around the world. This is a quick one on the blog post. What makes the price of KLUV go up? Guys, what makes the price of KLUV go up? If you look at what actually happened within the last few weeks, especially since when the KLUV was launched, we have experienced a wonderful move, which is called the Bullish within the KLUV space. So, guys, now from our admin. So, let me read. It said, everybody holding some TVC coins does want KLUV to go up and be worth more than $100 per coin on January 12th, 2023. In fact, they want the price of KLUV to keep going up even after January 12th and onward. So know what so we know what everybody wants, but does everybody understand what it would take to keep the price of KLUV moving up ongoing? If we do this the right way, everybody will get what they want and we can all come out of this as winners. Step one, what kind of people can make this happen? Which of these two groups of people are more likely to make this a better world to live in for all of us? A group of selfish people that are more worried about the cost of things, yet they feel entitled to a bunch of free things and benefits. Those who just want to come in, get a lot of bunches, take away the legacy without any commitment. Hmm. Or a group of people committed to paying a certain amount of their money monthly towards a mutual benefit and are willing to make the effort to get a desired outcome. Isn't it pretty obvious that committed people can bring about more positive change than what we can expect out of selfish people? I hope you are committed to paying your monthly program fee in TBC for the rest of your life. Don't forget, guys, being in the core team, being in the billionaire zone, or whatsoever in TBC, don't forget it's a commitment. And don't forget it is a lifetime commitment. But the truth of the matter is, the moment all things begin to fall in place fully, it will be easier for every member to pay the program fee. Why? Because we have a lot of funds coming in, and at the same time, you'll be able to spend your TBC in percentage to save some cash. And those cash you are saving, you just take little part out of it for the payment of your program fee. So, step two, we need to be careful. We need to carefully plan out the stages of distribution of the 1 billion KLUV coins over the course of the year 2023 to avoid crashing the market price of KLUV. The one thing that is set in stone as far as distribution of 1 billion KLUV coins is that only the core team will get all of the allocated KLUV coins on January 12th, 2023. The rest will be distributed according to the plan that is flexible enough to work even if we don't complete the task of gathering a 1 billion people that date of January 12th, 2023. Now, step 3. We need to set up some alternative that the KLUV's wills that allows the KLUV wills to cash out some coins outside of the market, like a KLUV debit card. I have many ideas within this regard. We don't want even one whale in KLUV to crash the price after we distributed coins to them. We truly need to foster the spirit of cooperation among our ranks in TBC so that we all come out winners. Right now, we have about 1,000 TVisions paying their program fee in KLUV, and the result is a price of about $15. I will expect the price to be about $30 per kilo of coins once we have a full core team of 11,111 paying each month. What if 1 billion people pay $30 a month? We know that half of that will be paid back out in Binance bounties. So we should be able to build up the liquidity of KLUV by $5 to $10 billion per month. At that time, since the only way to pay program fee is in KLUV, this will create long-term ongoing positive buying volume, which put pressure on the price of KLUV to keep it going up. Divisions will be holding at least 90% of KLUV by the time we distribute all of these coins. This great plan of accumulation is intended to bring in a lot of more people power into this world. The power to do good, the power to unite with others to do good. We can change the world for the better. Yes, this is my plan. I am the admin of TBC. I am committed to changing the world for the better. How about you? If you are too, then you should never be against me. Only a fool will try to stop me. Guys, this is voice of the admin. So a lot of preparation are in place, well planned strategy in place to ensure that the distribution of the 1 billion KLUV to all TBC members next year will not crash the price of the KLUV. So the core team will get theirs first. So if you want to be part of those who will get their KLUV coin first, be in the core team. And don't forget there are other plan ahead for as many who fall out and lose out. There's what we call youth farming that will come in place by next year, so that you'll be able to cover for the time that you lost. So pay your program fee. Let us ensure we pay our program fee regularly. And like admin said, by the time we have high volume of numbers within our community, 1 billion and above, and everybody is paying their program fee. Why? Because there will be enough abundance for everyone to pay the program fee even without stress. So guys, we look forward to this wonderful opportunity. So let us be committed, let us be dedicated to paying our program fee. The best bet, if God blesses you and you can afford it, pay just 1 year payment, and for you know that for the next 12 calendar months you are at rest, you are at peace, and this will keep you intact without anything. Guys, guess what? There are times that maybe if you are paying monthly, we are humans. Challenges arises at different times, unexpected. So what it may lead to one skipping a month. So, but get committed. If you can pay the yearly subscription fee, please go ahead and do that. So let's keep on doing our best, and let us support the admin. Let us support him. Let's go against all those naysayers. Let's support the admin. Let's say positive things about TBC, about TBC admin, about the KLUV, and let us continue to build our community. Don't forget, we should join hands with the TBC admin to build a better world where we all will have enough abundance to live on, to feed on, and what? To live, to have a good life. So thank you, guys. Don't forget, if you are here to come on board to the KLUV community, this is a wonderful community. Come on board, join us. And if you are here to register, there's a link below this video. Click on that link and register. And there's also a Telegram link there for you to join our Telegram group, where we share, discuss a lot about anything that has to do with TBC. Come on board. Any question whatsoever, any of your challenges, if anyone we can't answer, we direct you to the appropriate and quarters for good and fast solution. So come on board. Don't trivialize this. Stop procrastinating. Come on board and acquire as many coins as you have. Thank you. Don't forget, like this, press that bell by your right hand side, and subscribe to it, and also give a thumbs up and like. Thank you. Bye for now.